Yeah, I kind of don't want to trade because you own the code.
Are you in the stash?
There's 3 people in.
He's in the stash.
Yo, why do you have a ray gun? Yo. Gang, are you serious right now?
Bro, can you like... Bro,
Gang,
just throw...
Oh, just tell him to leave. Just tell him to leave, alright? Just
leave.
Tell him
Leave. Oh wait, can I see the item you're gonna...
Bro, you're the owner of this code. Can we... Wait, can you go offline and... Oh, wait, can you just go offline and...
Don't... He said he's back in the...
Yo, you're a scammer.
I'm not scared. Alright, fine, I'll show you my item I'll trade. It's an item, it's a bag full of, it's a bag full of galaxies.
I don't believe...
Alright, bro, look, see, look.
Dude, there's 3 people. 1 person's in stump, and and both of y'all own the code. So ready? 3. Come on, we just trade, bro. 3. Bro, Gang, you're gonna kick me. I know you have my name on your watch, bro. Gang, you're gonna kick me.
Buddy, alright, fine. Can we just trade, bro? Bro, just trade.
Can I see the item one more time?
Yo, he really tried scamming me. Guys. Pass me Flexi, man.